Everybody, I am Abhinav Choudhary. Today I would like to discuss about Australia's largest supermarket chain, Woolworths. Let's get started. Woolworths Group is one of the largest retail chains in Australia. Woolworths Group was originally founded in September 1924 under the name Woolworths Bazaar and opened its first store in Sydney's Imperial Arcade. The company had one vision in mind: to use the products which are Australian grown, which attracted more and more customers. Let's have a quick look at the first store opened. Getting back, currently it operates more than 1,000 stores across Australia and it's employing 128,000 skillful and talented members from diverse cultures. Let's have a quick tour at its current store. Let's take a small virtual tour of Woolworths. In Woolworths supermarket supply chain management, first the raw materials are secured, next the items are produced in one or more manufacturing centers and shipped to its warehouses, and then from the warehouses it's moved to regional and national distribution centers for ease access, and then from there it is supplied to the supermarket across the various locations in the suburb. The whole chain refers to as direct store delivery logistics network. Direct store delivery network is that there is no retailers in between, and thereby it is a direct supply chain, hence reducing the cost and providing customers with cheap and fresh quality products. Let's have a quick look at the supply chain management cycle. The most important feature of Woolworths supply chain management is its logistics service. The logistics service is not outsourced, but Woolworths relies on its own transport system, which is carried out in two different ways. First, transfer of supplies from manufacturing units to distribution centers, regional or national, and secondly, from distribution centers to supermarkets. By having in-house logistics, it secures its inventory and have shorter lead times, and the company can provide cheap and better supplies. Woolworths also uses reverse logistics, where instead of sending vehicles empty, they load it with recycled materials like cardboard, boxes and pallets and send it back to distribution centers for later recycles. It is done so because it requires an extra space to stock them after the products have been unpacked and put to display in the supermarket. Hence, they cut down the cost for an extra space needed to store them, as renting an extra space is very expensive within the suburbs. These empty trucks are also used to return defective products back to the warehouses from the distribution center. Let's have a quick look at the cycle. Let's now talk about the annual report of Woolworths for the financial year 2018. The company showed 1% increase in net profit of $979 million in December 2018 after spending huge investments of $1.8 billion on its supply chain management and rising labor costs. The company now wants to invest in IT systems for maximum profit and brand management of the company due to the change in customer habits and increased demand of online shopping. This move is appreciated as it will reduce the dependence on offline shops. I would like to conclude that Woolworths has marked its stronghold for future of Australian grocery shoppings to tackle rivals like Coles, etc. They have planned a reduction of $125 million with a vision of providing customers cheaper and fresher products by focusing on their brand products. Own brand products will offer more discounts and fresher products and will also help to neutralize the impact of sales from companies like Aldi and Coles. The company have laid its global concern on the use of plastic bags and plans to eradicate it in future. They have started charging customers 50 cents for plastic bags to discourage the use of plastic, stating environment concerns. Green reusable environment friendly bags such as bags for good is being provided in stores, which are being replaced for free if it wears out or if it's damaged. By doing so, it plans to remove 3 billion plastic bags in circulation each year and hence contribute to sustainable environment.